Come to a comfortable seat. Allow the gaze to soften or the eyes to close. Allow the hands to rest wherever feels comfortable, on the thighs or on the knees, and extend the spine, reaching up through the crown of the head, elongating your central channel. Focus on the breath flowing in and out, expanding the chest, the ribs, and the belly. And as you exhale, the belly drawing toward the spine, pushing the air and the ama up and out of the body. Find a breathing rhythm that is comfortable for you. Maybe inhale of 3, exhale of 6, or inhale of 4, exhale of 8. Whatever is most comfortable for you, continue breathing in that way. If thoughts arise, recognize them, welcome them, and allow them to pass. Breathing in oxygen and prana. Inhale the arms up, lengthening the spine. Exhale the hands to heart center. Again, inhale the arms up, lengthening the spine. Maybe the chin tilts up, palms together, hands to heart center as you exhale. Inhale once more, arms up. Exhale, palms together, hands to heart center. Allowing the hands to settle on the knees. Gently blink the eyes open and transition onto all fours, tabletop position. Inhale, lift the chin, drop the belly and tilt the pelvis high. Exhale, arching the spine, sending the hips back. And then inhale, sliding up and through, coming back up to that cow pose. Exhale, cat pose, sending the hips back to child's pose. Staying low, gliding through, making it juicy, lubricating the joints, lubricating that vertebral column, the hips, lubricating the body, awakening the body, moving the stagnant energy. Continue inhaling up into your cow pose, exhaling as you arch the spine and send the hips back toward the heels. And then resting here in this child's pose. You may like to wiggle around, take the knees very wide and settle in. As you find a moment of rest. Breathing, allowing the belly to expand as you inhale. Massaging that Ajna chakra, the third eye, on the mat while you're here in this beautiful posture. And as you take your next inhale, come on up to all fours. And then send those hips up and back for For our first down dog, just begin by walking out this down dog, drawing the belly in and just lengthening through the back body, allowing yourself to find some comfort and ease in this posture as you settle in, holding the posture, allowing the pedaling to cease, looking through the hands, walking the feet through the hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale and fold forward. Again, inhaling to a half lift, looking forward, flat back. Exhaling, fold, and allow the head to be heavy. Once more, inhale, half lift. Exhale and fold. Taking time to find thanks for yourself and your body as you move through this practice. Inhale, bend the knees, sweep the arms up, come all the way up, maybe arching the spine. Exhale, hands to heart center. Find the grounding in the 3 points of the feet, big toe mound, little toe mound, and heel. And then take a recoverable step back with the right foot. Here we are in a sort of warrior stance, and we're going to come up with goalpost arms into a goddess lunge. So as we inhale, we open up, bring the shoulder blades together. Exhale, come back to hands to heart center. Again, inhale, bending the front knee, goalpost arms. Exhale, hands to heart center. Again, inhale, drawing the shoulder blades together. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, once more, shoulder blades together, heart is uplifted, hands to heart center. Step that foot forward to meet the other, and let's take this on the other side. Left foot back, right foot forward, warrior stance. Inhaling as you open the arms and bend that knee. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, squeezing those shoulder blades together, stable through the feet, grounded and uplifted. Exhale, hands to heart center. And once more, opening up, lifting the heart. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Bring that foot forward to meet the other. Take one long inhale and one long exhale as you transition to turn toward the side of the mat with warrior 2 feet. Opening the arms long to the side, gaze over the front middle finger, coming down on that front knee. Inhale, coming up, straightening the front leg, hands to heart center. Exhale, down on that knee. Inhale, hands to heart center. Exhale, your gaze goes over the front middle finger. Inhale, hands to heart center. And as you exhale this next time, hold this posture, gaze over the front middle finger. Inhale, flip the palm, lean forward, and then come all the way back. Peaceful warrior. Maybe that right arm is wrapped around the back, making a bind on that left thigh. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, hands to heart center. Those left toes come forward and right toes go out to the side. Exhale, come down on the knee, warrior 2. Inhale. comfortable wide-legged stance. Inhale as you reach the arms up to star. Exhale as you squat to goddess, goalpost arms. Inhale up to star. Exhale, squat to goddess, firm belly. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, strong goddess. Now settle in here as we hold this posture, feeling strong, grounded. Inhale, reaching the arms up and bringing the hands to heart center, heel toe it in. And as you feel grounded, go ahead and kickstand the heel of the left foot onto that right ankle, hands to heart center. And if you feel balanced here, maybe you move up to the calf. Maybe this is your tree, or maybe you move up to the inner thigh and then expand the arms up. Your tree grows. Exhale, hands to heart center and release. Wiggle the hips and get ready for the other side. Kickstand that heel onto the left ankle. And maybe the foot goes up to the calf. And if you're grounded and stable here, maybe the foot goes up to the inner thigh. Wherever you are, maybe your tree can grow. Balanced, rooted, strong. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Release that and wiggle. And once you feel complete, go ahead and turn toward the front of your mat. Take a nice inhale, lengthen the arms, reach overhead. Exhale, palms together, forward fold, and come all the way down, allowing the head to be heavy. Maybe taking a micro bend in the knees, and then straightening the legs again to find more length in the back body. Breathe. Maybe shaking the head yes, shaking the head no. Allowing and asking the body to gently release. And bend the knees, place the hands on the ground and come back into a tabletop position. Cross at the ankles and sit back, extending the legs out in front of you. Flex the toes, lengthen through the spine, lengthen through the crown of the head. Inhale the arms up and exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your shins, your ankles, or your toes. Allow the body to relax in this posture. Breathe. Recognizing thoughts that may arise, welcoming them and letting them go. And thanking your beautiful body for bringing you through this practice today. Cultivating a sense of love and gratitude within you and all around. Inhale slowly, gliding the hands up the legs, up, 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 until you come all place the hands just behind the hips as you slowly transition, bringing the right foot into the left thigh, opening up and reaching for the shin, the ankle, or the toes. Inhale as you extend the right arm overhead. Exhale and fold toward the left foot. Breathe. Find peace in this posture. Breathe into the right side of the body, asking tensions to release. Inhale as you come up with the right hand, placing it behind the hips, coming up on the right knee and drawing the left arm up and around into Wild Thing. Breathe here, expanding the belly. Exhale as you come down and transition to the other side. Inhale the arm up, reaching for shin, ankle, or toes, and allow the body to fold over to whatever is comfortable for you. Just allowing yourself to find peace, ease, strength, and suppleness in the posture. Breathe. Inhale as you come up, bringing that left hand behind the left hip, coming up onto the left knee and sweeping that right arm up and around. Breathing into the belly. And then as you exhale, coming down slowly and gently. Now we're going to transition into Gomukhasana legs. So we take the right leg on top of the left, flexing the toes and finding an even seat on both sits bones. And then we'll reach around the back and grab onto the right wrist, pulling down as you drop the head to the left, allowing the left ear to go toward the left shoulder. Allowing this release of tension in the neck and the shoulder. Just below that shoulder blade and that brachial plexus, we're just resetting that scapula here. So breathe into it and ask the body to release. And then gently release that bind behind the back and allow the head to come up. Place the hands behind the hips and release the legs. Take the feet mat width distance apart and do some windshield wipers. Just working it out. Taking time in this moment to find gratitude. Transition back toward the front and we will do that same thing on the other side. So left leg over right, flexing the toes, finding an even seat, and reaching around for the left wrist this time and creating some tension, pulling it down, and allowing the right ear to drop toward the right shoulder. Breathe here into that shoulder, into that neck, asking the body to release. And thanking the body for carrying you through day by day. This body, so beautiful. Thank you, my beautiful body, for allowing me to walk this life. Inhale, coming up, releasing the bind, transitioning, feet wide, taking some windshield wipers. Now let's transition back into a comfortable seated position. As you find your comfortable seated position, take a nice inhale, extending through the crown of the head. Exhale as you turn left. Maintaining that axial extension. Inhale, coming back toward the center. Spine long. Exhale, turn right. Inhale as you transition forward and raise the right arm overhead, taking a lateral bend. Breathe. Again, inhale, allowing the right arm to come to the knee and the left arm to come up and over, taking a lateral bend on the other side. Come on out of that lateral bend and find a comfortable position to take Shavasana in. Imagine that you are inhaling from your feet to the crown of your head, and then exhaling down to your feet. Inhale to your crown, I am. Exhale to your feet, here. Inhale to your crown, I am. Exhale to your feet, here. Inhale the solar plexus, fully present. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the solar plexus, fully present. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the heart, love. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the heart, love. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the throat, truth. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the throat, truth. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the brow point, clarity. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the brow point, clarity. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale through the crown, bliss. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale through the crown. Inhale through the crown, bliss. Exhale through the heart, love. Inhale through the crown, bliss. Exhale through the heart, love. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the feet, here. Inhale to the crown, I am. Exhale to the feet, here. Begin to deepen the breath, bringing awareness to the fingers and the toes, making small movements with the fingers and the toes. Inhaling the arms up and overhead for one full body release. Exhaling as you draw the knees into the chest, maybe rocking the body side to side. And as you feel ready, rolling onto one side in the fetal position and using the strength of your arms to push yourself up to a seated position. Thank you so much for